How to transfer movies from your laptop to a USB drive. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to easily copy your movies from your device to a USB stick. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is plug in your USB drive. So I'm just going to do that right now. And once you plug it in, you should get a notification like this and your drive will pop up right here. So all you need to do now is just go ahead and locate your movie on your device. So I'm just going to open mine right now. It's right here, so I'm just going to click on movies, and here are all of the files right here. So what I'm going to do now is hold on my control on my keyboard and select all of them one by one. Right click on them and then click on copy. Once you do that, just go to your USB drive, create a new folder if you want. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to create a new folder and name it as movies, and then press enter, and I'm just going to paste it right here. So as you can see here, the process is being transferred all of the movies. So here it is copying 4 items from the movies folder of my PC to the movies folder of my new drive. So that's how you easily transfer movies from your device to a USB stick. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe down below. I will see you guys on the next one.